After force, we come to the next part of the chapter, which is pressure. In class 7th, you have learned that strong winds during a storm or a cyclone can blow away even the rooftops. You have seen it around that when winds blow at a high speed, some of the things fly away, even the roofs of some houses fly away. You have also learned that winds and cyclones are caused by the differences in pressure. So try to push, that is example of air pressure. Now here there is an activity which all of you must have done someday. Try to push a nail into a wooden plank by its head. That means you are not using anything. Try to push a nail into a wood using your hands. Will you be able to do it? You will not be able to do it. Why? But when you do it with the help of a hammer, you are able to push the nail easily. Try now to push the nail by a pointed end. That means now there are two ways. Either you push the nail with your hand, it will not go easily. Now you try to push the nail from its head, from the point, not from the pointed end, from the flat end. It will not go inside the wood. You will not be able to push the nail in either of the two cases. We will get to know why does this happen.